Swipe up. Yeah, I know you want some of this. Good. Gosh, my computer. Oh! Yeah, I know you want some of this. Good. Wait. We talking about nice to meet you. Hope you guess my name. No, it's pleased to meet. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. What? Boom, boom. Swipe up. But today's a little story time. Make sure to swipe up. Today's a little story time. And this story time is gonna send me back all the way in the second grade. That was 6 years ago. Oh my, wait. 7, 3. Yeah, 6 years ago. Sorry, my phone keep on going off because I'm popular. Not actually popular, but like. Today is Saturday, July 21st. Don't know if it's July yet in some countries. No, don't know if it's the 21st in some countries. Because today could be tomorrow to somebody. Or the other day, I don't know. But this little story time is real quick, fast, and easy. Oh my gosh, my computer. Oh! Dang it, wait, no. I don't know my password no more? Dang. Oh, dang it. Dang it! I thought I just don't know my password no more. I know what my... Oh my god! Okay. So today's little story time is quick, easy, and simple. It's about in second grade. It's like middle of the year. Don't really remember what happened most of that day, but I do remember what happened that time of day. I look like I swipe up. Nah. Okay, so what happened that time of day? So this girl name, we gonna change her name. Gold PT. This girl named Gold PT got her finger caught in a stapler. She stapled her finger down. And that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Don't hit my like button. Don't hit my subscribe button. Gently tap it, like don't on my like or subscribe button. Even though none of you are gonna like or subscribe, and leave a comment to tell me how I did. Yep, that's the end of the story. Gold PT got her finger caught in a stapler, and she stapled down on her finger, and her finger was stuck to the paper. But that's life. Make sure to swipe up.